is Gabrielle Ishell, and I am here. Today is the big day. It's the big chop. So I got some professional scissors from Amazon, and of course they go with my color scheme. Okay, so time for the big chop. And I have my friend Jessica here. She's gonna join. Did you transition?
I did not do a big chop. I just wore protective styles until all of the relaxer came out. And then I would trim my ends every 6 weeks though to help get the relaxed piece out a little quicker. Okay, so got it. Okay, get it real wet.
Yeah. And then just add a whole bunch of conditioner.
Okay. And conditioner. Okay. You ready for the first cut?
Yes. Scissors feel nice. I could feel it like just gliding through.
Yes, it's very good. Now, you know I'm not professional. Right?
Yeah.
I'm just getting
I know.
Look, it won't be in the style.
my brother, I FaceTimed my brother earlier today. He was like, so it's not going to be even? I'm like, no, just getting the relaxed parts off. I can do that later. Or I can have it done later.
Yeah. How do you feel?
It's all gone.
But it's literally, it's not your transition period. It's literally just the scraggly ends.
I feel good. So far.
Good.
So far, so good.
I'm conservative, so you might still see a little bit, but I'm gonna try to get the main stuff out. I think we got all of them here.
That shrinkage.
Oh no, it's okay.
One little section done. I don't really experiment with my hair. Like, I've never colored it.
Really?
I'm looking forward to wash days being better.
It'll be a lot easier, especially when you do your twist out.
Oh my god. This is really long. I'm gonna get my tape measure.
Let's see how long it is.
Wow. Can't see it.
It's been on it for a while. So how long have you been transitioning at this point?
I think 17 months.
Oh yeah? So you can definitely have some growth. It's definitely, and you have really long hair to begin with. But there are some places where your new growth is not as long as in other places. So I'm not cutting it down as low. Cause I don't want it to be like a patch in your head. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, but I am getting it as close as, so you might still see a little bit of straight.
That's fine.
Just because I feel like a professional should cut it closer for, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm just getting what I see, like the straight end up.
That is perfectly fine. I do want to go to. I haven't been to a hairstylist since I decided to go natural.
Oh yeah.
But this lady from my church, she's like, you should really go to get like a consultation or something. I actually will.
Yeah, and then just let them, because listen, they're gonna be like, you let who cut your hair? Why did you do that? But you gotta tell them that it was all in good faith. But just for them to shape it. You still got some hang time. It's not completely gone.
It's just a shrinking.
Wow.
This is like 6 inches.
It's definitely different throughout, like your back and your top.
Yeah, I think it is grown faster in the back, maybe.
I think it did grow faster in the back. It's shorter in the back, but your transition hair is longer in the back than it is in the top right.
So we are halfway done. And I like it so far. I didn't realize that my hair was long enough to put in a bush ball. So a little excited about that. And I wanted to show you guys some of the hair. This is about a good 6 inches. I have my little tape measure here. This is gonna measure, I think this is the longest piece. Oh, look at this. Okay, let's see. This is about 8 inches of hair, guys. We just cut off 8 inches of my hair. Okay, so we are on to the left side of the hair, and it feels good. It does feel really good. It feels like, I don't know, a weight is lifting off me. I like it. Go ahead if you guys want to. Ryan doesn't like cameras.
No, I just don't want to ruin your video.
Go ahead.
You guys can come on in.
Hi, my name is Peyton. Don't tell them your name. Strangers don't need to be knowing your name. Hi, I'm anonymous.
Anonymous.
She's cutting your hair.
She's cutting my hair.
Balloons. Balloons. Why do you have so many balloons? Because she's doing a video and she wants it to be nice. I want a balloon.
You can have one.
She's
Okay.
gonna look pretty.
Look like you already been cutting on this piece.
Oh. Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was one piece I got really frustrated and I just cut it off.
It's like, 'cause there's none there. And I haven't even started cutting this section yet.
Yeah, it was about right there too. Yeah. Cause I had like it was so matted. It looked like a dreadlock. I'm like, I'm not trying to detangle this. I don't care. I'm just gonna cut it. So I'm going to do the very last piece. He clipped it off and set it aside for me to do. See the line of demarcation. I'm gonna just go right here. What's that song? It ain't nothing. Cut that off. Snip, snip. It's gone. Oh my god. It's crazy.
When you wash it, you're definitely going to be able to, you're going to love it. You're going to love the curl pattern now that you see, but you still may see some scraggly ends, so just trim them as you see them. Yay, I love it, Gabby.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Thank you so much for helping.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
I love it. You made me feel good too, because listen, all out of the box today.
Yeah. It really does feel like a weight is lifted off. Like, I feel like free.
No more scraggly ends.
I like it. Team Afro.
It looks so good. And you're going to be able to wear your afro.
Okay, so I actually like it. I thought my face wouldn't look right with short hair, but I like it. It looks a little lopsided at the top, but we will work on that. So let me show y'all, and I want to do a limp check too. But this right here in the back, look how far, like I got hang time. But the shrinkage. Ah! All right, the back is about 8.5. So yeah, and then let's do a piece in the front. We'll do this piece. I think it's definitely shorter in the front. In the front we have about 7. About 7 in the front, and then we'll do a piece in the middle. And I think, yeah, it definitely seemed like it grew faster in the back. In the middle, we have, it's about 7 as well. So my hair is the longest in the back, and with 8 inches, it's about 7 inches in the front and in the middle. Now this is so new to me because I have never cut. My hair has always been shoulder length, so I've never had short hair before. So this is very, very new to me, but I do like it. It's a little crooked right now. I will be wearing my hair like this to go to my brother's and sister-in-law's house so that they can see my big chop, and I will be filming their reaction to it. So if you're interested in seeing a video like that, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified whenever I post. And if you enjoyed this video, I know I enjoyed getting my hair cut. It definitely feels like a weight has been lifted off of me. Like, I feel free. Like, I really can't wait till my wash day. I'm so excited, you guys. So if you did enjoy this video, I really would appreciate it if you gave me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot, and I am so thankful for everyone who has been supporting me throughout my transitioning journey and now my fully natural journey. I'm so excited. Like, you guys don't understand how excited I am. I'm so happy. Whew. I'm trying not to cry, guys, because this is definitely new to me, but thank you guys so much for try not to cry, guys. I'm trying not to cry. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you have given me, from your likes, your comments, your subscribing. I really do appreciate it, and I'm so thankful. So don't forget to do all that. Again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next post, I will see you guys later. Bye. I love it. I love it. Oh my God. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.